Welcome to our channel Wellnessity, where we explore the best tips for beauty and wellness. Want to know the secret to looking younger instantly? In today's video, I'll share 5 essential vitamins that can transform your skin. These vitamins are not only easy to incorporate into your diet and skincare routine, but they also have powerful benefits that can help you achieve a youthful glow. While vitamins alone may not provide instant results in making you look younger, certain vitamins can improve your skin's appearance and overall health over time. Here are 5 vitamins known for their skin benefits. 1. Vitamin C benefits. Brightens the skin, reduces dark spots, and promotes collagen production sources. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach. Topical use. Look for serums or creams containing vitamin C for direct application to the skin. 2. Vitamin E benefits. Acts as an antioxidant, protects the skin from damage, and improves skin skin texture and moisture. Sources: nuts, almonds, hazelnuts, seeds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and broccoli. Topical use. Many moisturizers and serums include vitamin E to provide hydration and protection. 3. Vitamin A retinoids benefits. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles, improves skin texture, and treats acne. Sources: sweet potatoes, carrots, dark leafy greens, and fish liver oil. Topical use. Retinoid creams and serums can be very effective, but they should be used cautiously as they can cause irritation. 4. Vitamin D benefits. Promotes skin cell growth, repair, and metabolism. Sources: sunlight exposure, fortified foods, milk, orange juice, and fatty fish, salmon, mackerel. Topical use. Some skincare products include vitamin D but safe. Sun exposure is a primary source. 5. Vitamin K benefits. Reduces dark circles under the eyes and helps with the healing of wounds and bruises. Sources: leafy green vegetables, kale, spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and fish. Topical use. Eye creams often contain vitamin K to target dark circles and puffiness. While these vitamins contribute to healthier, more youthful-looking skin, maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure, and following a good skincare routine are also crucial. To get the most out of these vitamins, make sure you have a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. For topical benefits, look for serums and creams that list these vitamins as key ingredients. So there you have it. Vitamin C, E, A, D, and K are your go-to vitamins for youthful, glowing skin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips.